You ever sit down to work, open your laptop, and 30 minutes later, you're deep in a YouTube hole watching cat videos? Yeah, been there. Focus is hard, especially when your brain's jumping around like a hyperactive kid on sugar. But what if you could train your brain to focus like a monk, even if you've got zero discipline? Sounds impossible, right? It's not. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Let's go. First, let's address the elephant in the room. Why is focusing so freaking hard? Two reasons. One, your brain loves novelty. New stuff means dopamine. That's why your brain would rather scroll than study. Two, your environment is pure chaos. Notifications, tabs, pings, TikTok, group chats. You're basically trying to focus in a nightclub. But here's the good news. You don't need to escape to a mountain or become a monk. You just need to trick your brain into focus mode, and I'll show you how. Trick number one, create a focus ritual. Monks don't just decide to meditate, they have a ritual. Same robe, same spot, same time. Every single day. You need one too. It doesn't have to be fancy, just consistent. Maybe you make a cup of tea using your special mug. You sit on the same cushion. You play the same lo-fi playlist. Small things done the same way. Tell your brain, okay, it's focus time. It's like training a puppy. The routine becomes the cue. And over time, your brain slips into focus mode almost automatically. Trick number two, use the 20-minute monk rule. Here's something most people don't realize. Even monks didn't start off meditating for 8 hours straight like focus ninjas. They started small, just a few minutes. Then they built it up over time. Same with you. You don't need to suddenly turn into a productivity machine. Start with just 20 minutes. Pick one task. Shut off your notifications. Put your phone out of reach or in another room if you have to. Then for 20 minutes, just focus. No multitasking. No bouncing between tabs. After that, take a 5-minute break. Stretch, grab a snack, look out the window. Then jump back in for another 20-minute round. That's it. Rinse and repeat. It's like a gym workout for your focus muscle. The more reps you do, the stronger your focus gets, and over time, 20 minutes becomes 40, then 60. Before you know it, you're focusing like a monk without ever stepping foot in a temple. Trick number three, hack your environment and reward yourself. A lot of people think that in order to focus, you need to become a productivity robot. No Netflix, no fun, no life. Just lock yourself in a room with a to-do list and vibes. Nope, that's a one-way ticket to burnout. The truth? You don't need to cut out everything fun. You just need to be smart about when and how you do fun stuff. Start by setting up your environment to support your focus. Because let's be real, willpower is unreliable. If your phone is next to you buzzing every 2 minutes, you're not going to win that battle. So make it easy on yourself. Put your phone in another room. Out of sight, out of swipe. Use apps like Forest or Cold Turkey. They block social media or distracting websites so you don't accidentally fall into a 2-hour meme spiral. Or if you're feeling hardcore, go full monk mode and turn off Wi-Fi completely. No Wi-Fi, no rabbit holes. And here's the key, reward yourself. Focus for 20 minutes? Awesome. Give yourself 10 minutes of guilt-free scrolling, stretching, gaming, whatever you enjoy. It's like training a dog. You don't punish it for obeying, you give it a treat. Your brain works the same way. The goal isn't to suffer. The goal is balance, structure with room for fun, discipline with some dopamine. That's how you stay focused and sane. Trick number four, don't rely on willpower. Relying on willpower is like trying to hold your breath forever. It works for a while, then you cave, grab your phone, and boom, now you're 12 videos deep into conspiracy theories about squirrels. Here's the truth. Willpower runs out, especially after a long day or a bad night's sleep. So don't depend on it. Build systems instead. Before you go to bed, take 5 minutes to write down what you need to do tomorrow. That way, you don't waste your morning figuring it out. You just wake up and start. When it's time to begin, start with the easiest task. Something you can finish quickly. It gives you a small win. That win builds momentum. Then, set a timer. This gives your brain a clear start and stop. which helps a lot more than telling yourself, I'll just work for a while. Think about monks. They don't wake up and ask themselves, do I feel like meditating today? They just do it because it's their routine. It's automatic. You don't need constant motivation. You need a system so easy you can't help but follow through. Trick number 5, meditate, but the easy way. All right, let's talk about meditation. Look, I know meditate sounds like something only spiritual people or yogis do, but it's literally just about training your attention. That's it. You notice your mind wandering, and you gently bring it back. Over and over. Think of it like going to the gym, but for your focus. Start with 2 minutes a day, seriously, just 2. Sit somewhere quiet, close your eyes, take a deep breath, focus on your breathing. When your mind starts planning dinner or replaying that awkward thing you said 5 years ago, just bring it back to your breath. That's the training. The more you do it, the easier it becomes to notice when you're distracted and refocus. It won't turn you into a monk overnight, but it'll make your mind way less chaotic over time. And that makes everything, work, study, even conversations, so much easier. You don't need to shave your head, move to the mountains, or give up Netflix to focus like a monk. You just need a simple ritual. Short bursts of deep focus, a distraction-proof setup, smart systems, not willpower, and a tiny bit of daily brain training. Your focus isn't broken. It just needs training. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll be surprised how powerful your brain really is. Now tell me, what's one trick you're going to try today? Drop it in the comments. And if this helped, give it a like to support the channel and subscribe for more brain-boosting, life-smartening videos every week. You got this. Focus mode activated.